Welcome back, guys, to another practical session of the course. Um, in this practical session, I'm going to introducing us to um, pre-installed tools on Kali Linux that will be helpful to you as a penetration tester, forensic analyst, or cybersecurity analyst. And Kali Linux is a handy tool for cybersecurity expert generally. So, without further ado, um, I'm gonna log in with my password, and it brings us to the Kali Linux desktop. And on this side of the navigation bar, we can see the applications, which I'm going to click on. And these are all the pre-installed applications on Kali Linux. We can see the information gathering tools, the vulnerability analysis tools, web application analysis tools, databases. So it compartmentalizes every aspect of your practicals of cybersecurity. If you have forensic, these are tools for it. These are reporting tools, social engineering tools, and all the links that you have access to enable you be skilled penetration tester, cybersecurity analyst, or along those niches. So um, basically, under the information gathering tools, we can see them. The AMAS, Net Discover, which are some of the popular tools. The Nmap is also a very common tool for information gathering. Vulnerability analysis, you can see Nmap still fall into this category. The NICTO, web application analysis, we have the Bob Suite, VC Scan, which are also the common tools used for um, web application analysis. Also, we have the password attacks, cracking tools, John the Ripper, Hashcat, and the Medusa. You have also tools for wireless attacks, which are Bluetooth tools, Kismet, Fen, which are very common tools if you're carrying out a wireless attack on a wireless network. So we also have exploitable tools, which Metasploit comes in handy for carrying out network attacks, domain attacks, system attacks, or even Android attacks. So was exploitation tools, crawlers, the netcat, the forensic tools as well. So basically, these are pre-installed tools on Kali Linux that you can acquaint yourself with as you open the application. So I'm going to walk us through on having access to documentations, because you may be saying, okay, how can I know how to use each of these tools? You may not be able to use all of this, but they are very common ones that are handy for your use as whatever field you go into in cybersecurity. So I'm going to go in my terminal emulator. Um, One of the things that is helpful, it's the help command on the terminal. So we're gonna use this nmap tool. You can open it on your nmap command. Of course, it's terminally emulated. So we have the nmap dash dash help. It will give us all the commands we need, their explanations. You can see the SL, SU, UDP scan, the version scan, the sync scan, and the ping scan, that all you use when scanning for ports on whatever network you're using. So whenever you feel lost, whenever you're confused on what to use, what scan to use on a particular IP address or domain, it is good to write the name of the tool and then you use the dash help command to be able to have access to all the documentations on that particular tool. Um, Another helpful command to use is the man command, or let me clear this. If I'm using nmap also, I'm going to use man nmap. This will give you all the manuals on nmap. It will give you a description of what nmap is. As you can see, nmap is a network mapper. It's an open source tool for network exploitation security auditing. It was designed rapidly, blah blah blah, and all those things. So it will even give you a simulated response of what you are expecting if you run the nmap command. So these are the example of what you should expect if you run the nmap scan for a particular IP address or domain. As you can see, this is a domain, scanme.nmap.org. So these are the basic tools you need as a beginner. If you're checking out any of these tools highlighted here, they are Wireshark, John the Ripper. The terminal will give access to run this command to understand the documentation, read more about the tool, the command, how to use it, and the command it requires in using it. Alright, so thanks for staying tuned.